Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you all are well and had a very fun and restful holiday. But now it's time for school again. For now, I won't be able to see you all, ma'am and I, but we still have tons and tons of work to do. So first up, we have maths. Are we ready? Okay, boys and girls, let's turn to page 5 in our work packs. We have some math sums. Can everybody see that I have a blue rectangle on my page? Can you see that, guys? Who remembers how to do their addition problems? Let's do an example together to remind ourselves. On this page, I have the sum 6 plus 4. So who remembers what's the first thing I need to do? That's right. I need to draw for the first number. So now over here I have 6 apples. Let's count them to make sure we are correct. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Now what sign do I put in the middle? Plus or minus? Am I making it bigger or smaller? Bigger, that's right. And how many more do I need to draw? 4. Well done, everyone. Let's count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who remembers what I need to do next? That's right, guys. I need to count all my apples all together now. Let's count them together to make sure that we are doing it the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many apples do I have altogether? 10. That's correct. Okay, so next we have addition word problems. This is also on page 5, right at the bottom. Can everybody see that? We also have another addition word problem on page 6. So now addition word problems are done just like how we did our addition sums on top. But just so we don't forget, let's just do an example together. Do y'all remember how to do word problems? Who remembers the steps? Step 1, we read the story 3 times. So let's go. I have 3 balls. I buy 4 more balls. How many balls do I have all together? That was 1. I have 3 balls. I buy 4 more balls. How many balls do I have all together? That's 2. 1 more to go. I have 3 balls. I buy 4 more balls. How many balls do I have all together? Now that I've read my story 3 times, what's the next step? That's right. I have to draw for the first number. And what is my first number? Yes, my first number is 3. So now I'm going to draw 3 balls. I've drawn my 3 balls. Now what do I need to do? That's right. I need to draw 4 more balls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've drawn 3 balls and then I drew 4 balls. Now what do I need to do? Yes, I need to count all the balls that I've drawn and count them all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 balls all together. And now don't forget, we need to write our sentence. These are easy words and all the words are in the story. I have 7 balls all together. At the very bottom of the very same page, page number 6, we have our very first subtraction word problem. On page 7, there is another word problem. A lot of us get confused when it comes to subtraction word sums. So now we are going to do an example together to remind ourselves so we don't get confused and make the same mistakes that we did last term. Just like with the addition word problem, the very first step that we do when doing any word problem is we read the story 3 times. So let's go. Meg has 5 cookies. She eats 2 cookies. How many cookies does she have left? That was 1. Meg has 5 cookies. She eats 2 cookies. How many cookies does she have left? That's 2. 1 more to go. Meg has 5 cookies. She eats 2 cookies. How many cookies does she have left? What's the first thing that I need to do? That's right, guys. I need to draw for the first number. And what is my first number? Right, my first number is 5. So let's draw for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what do I need to do? Yes, I need to decide whether I'm adding on or taking away. So this is a subtraction word problem. So will I be adding on? No, I will be taking away. And how many cookies will I be taking away? 2 cookies. That's right. So let's see how many cookies Meg has left. If I scratch out 2, how many cookies do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So now it's time for my number sentence. Let's take the words from our story as usual. Meg has 3 cookies left.